Hey everyone, if you want to know how to program these buttons, your HomeLink buttons on a Mazda 6, stick around and we'll show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be programming our garage door openers, the HomeLink system on a 2016 Mazda 6. So the very first thing that I like to do is I like to reset all of these buttons. So you can tell by pushing that these buttons are already set to something. So what I'm going to do is reset them all. This is the easiest way that I've found to do it. So to reset them all, you push the first button and the third button and you hold it. It takes about 20 seconds, it said in the book. And we are waiting for this light to flash. And now that it's flashing, when we push this button, we see the indicator light flash, which means that it's cleared. Okay? And so now with that cleared, we're going to set this garage door. So the method that we're going to do, or the method we've chosen to use, is we're going to use an existing remote to program the HomeLink system on the rear view mirror in this Mazda 6. So first thing we do is check the remote, and it does work because we want to make sure it has a good battery and all of that. And then so we want to use that button, and we want to program it to the button on the rear view mirror that we want to match it to. So how we do that is we move the remote close to the rear view mirror and we push the buttons at the same time. That will cause the light on the rear view mirror to start flashing slowly, and then it'll start flashing faster. And once it starts flashing faster, we know that it's got a signal. So we can stop pushing the buttons, and then we push the button on the rear view mirror again, and we see that it's programmed. And that's it. That's all it takes. If for some reason this doesn't work, you may have to use hit the button on the Learn button on your garage door opener. But we're going to go ahead and program the other door now. We're going to program that to the first button. And so we do the exact same thing. The light flashes from slow to fast. We know it's programmed. So we hit the button on the rear view mirror and we can see that the other door is programmed too. So that's how you program your HomeLink system with an existing remote control. Thanks for watching.